Ready? Here's my tip for 2024. Citrus and bananas. Citrus, bananas, plantains. Citrus, bananas, anything from the Southern Hemisphere. It is winter here, and this is my jar of gold. So what's in here is milk, bananas, with a little bit of vanilla that were cooked down, and they became like almost like a pudding. And it is so delicious, right? It's raw chopped. You don't have to make it look beautiful. And I will give a recipe for that. So basically it is 2 bananas, 1 cup of sugar, 1 vanilla bean scraped and put it inside, and you're gonna put it onto your stove, and you're gonna let it like basically start to caramelize. And when that starts to happen, you're going to pour 1 cup of milk on top of it, and you're gonna let it be loose. And you're gonna say, oh, it looks a little bit like soggy cereal. That's perfect, you nailed it. Soggy cereal is what you're looking for. Then you're gonna take half that amount, and you're gonna put it into another jar, and then you're gonna fill it with your favorite rum. I chose a Dominican rum today. And you're gonna let it just sit. Don't shake it, don't make it crazy, right? You just kind of like wanna make it so that you can see it in there. It is infusing. It's got a wonderful flavor. Well, now you're like, what are you gonna use this for? Well, you could just drink it from a jar, because that's really what I'm tempted to do right now, because it smells so good. When you have the non-alcoholic part of it, which is made, you could actually make your kids a nice like non-alcoholic banana daiquiri if you're not drinking during these months, or you want a different fun idea for a non-alcoholic drink. This is great. Just put a little bit of ice, blend it, done. You want to have your adult version of it. We're going to use this plus some of that, plus a little bit of cream, and we're going to make ourselves a bananas. I wouldn't even call it a milk punch. I would just call it a banana. Yeah, I'll call it milk punch. Banana milk punch. So enjoy.